Morning. Okay, so here's another game to help your children practice their times tables. So I'm just going to put the camera down and then I can show you what I've got on the table. Okay, so you need a pack of playing cards. And then once you have your playing cards, you're going to lay them out on the table. Now ideally you can have 2 players and then 1 caller. But if not, your child can play this if you are happy to sit there and call out times table answers. So for example, all the number cards are face value. The picture cards are worth 10 and ace can be worth 1 or 11. It doesn't matter. So the idea is if we've got 2 children and they can play against each other, it will introduce a little bit of competition and make it a little bit more fun, but they can have a go by themselves. What you need to do is you call out the answer to a times table. So if you imagine you're going to multiply these 2 together, so I might call out 10, okay? And it's the first person to splat the 2 cards that make 10 when multiplied together. Okay, so it might be that there's more than one way of doing that, but the person who splats the cards first gets to keep those, and you take those away. So then I'd go again. So I might say 90. Okay, so I could go for those 2, or I could go for those 2. Okay, so whoever gets there first gets to keep those cards, and you keep going until you run out of cards. Okay, so I might say 42. You've got it's quickest to splat and take those cards. You might have 12. Get those cards. So you might have 63, and I can have those cards. And then you might say 30, and then they've got to splat these cards. 10 times 3 is 30. So it's about calling out the answers and figuring out what they are so you call the answer and your child will then work out what the number fact is to make that answer. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Drop me a message if you like the game or if you've got any questions. Okay, have a great day.